Hi, this video tutorial will show you how to grade a group discussion board from the Grade Center. By the end of this video, you'll be able to grade group discussion boards from a smart view in the Grade Center, toggle back and forth between two Blackboard sessions, use a rubric to grade a discussion board. So let's get started. So first you'll need to open Blackboard twice so you can toggle between two tabs. Go ahead and log into Blackboard and navigate to the course you're going to grade, as I have here. Then right-click on Courses and choose Open in New Tab. Then you can click on that tab and navigate to the course where you're going to grade again. Here it is. So now you'll see that we have the same course open in both tabs. So when I click back and forth between the tabs, you'll see that they are exactly alike. So choose one tab and then access the Grade Center from the control panel. Smart views that are set as favorites will be listed here, so all you have to do is click on the smart view with your name on it to access the students in your group in the Grade Center. Now you can toggle back and forth between the Grade Center and the other tab that you have open where we're going to navigate to the discussion board. So what we'll do is we'll go into Modules and we'll say we're going to grade Module 1, and here if there's a discussion board in this course, a group discussion board, it will be down here under Assessment. So I'll click Discussion Board, and this is a course link to the Groups page. So what I need to do is I need to click on my group's name and click on my group discussion board, and this is the forum where I'm going to be grading, so I want to go into the forum. Now there's only one posting here, but if there were many students, obviously what you'd want to do is see all the postings made by each student so you can see both their original postings and their responses. So what you'll need to do is search for each student in your group. So to do that, you want to highlight the student's name and copy it, then click the search field and paste their name into the search box here. You're going to leave current forum set because you want to search in the current forum, and then you're going to search after, and it has to be set before the date of the actual posting, of their actual first posting. So in this case I have to go back to, if I set this to May 1st at 12 a.m., that will be before this posting was made. And click Go, and that gives me all the postings that this student has done, which in this case is just the one posting. But you can read and reply to any posting that this student has made now within this forum. So I can click reply, I can mark it as read, I can rearrange the order over here, and I can interact with the discussion board and see all the postings that the student has made in this forum. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm ready to enter a grade for this forum, for this student. So what I want to do is go back up here to my other tab, click on that, and this, you'll remember, is in the Grade Center for this course. So now I want to find the column for the particular discussion board I'm grading, and I want to find the student, and I'm going to go into the I'm going to click the pull down arrow in the cell for that discussion board assignment for that student, and I'm going to click on View Grade Details. And when this window opens, you'll see I can provide feedback to the student here. I can tell them that they did a good job. Please see the rubric for more feedback. And if I'm using rubrics, I can click on View Rubric, and here's the rubric associated with this discussion board, and I can fill this out. And I can make comments on the various criteria, and I can assign points, and the rubric will keep track of the points I've assigned. I can add overall feedback here at the bottom, and I can click Save, and you'll notice that it enters the point value that that I gave the student based on my filling out the rubric, and then I can click Save, and that student's discussion board is now graded, and I can go on to the next. So you can toggle back to the discussion board and click OK and begin searching again for the next student so you can continue grading. So just to review, You can grade your group discussion boards by opening Blackboard in two tabs and toggling back and forth between the discussion board and the grade center. You can see all the posts from a single student by searching for their exact name in the forum. You can enter a student's grade for that discussion board directly into the grade center, as well as leave feedback and fill out a rubric. If you have any questions, please contact Cetus Design or UCIT's Blackboard support, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks.